This is the brief on a customer's ordered journey with raw virgin hairs. We're looking at a real text message conversation between a customer named Mara and a representative from Raw Virgin Hairs, showcasing the exact timeline from the initial order confirmation right down to the final delivery. Buying hair online can honestly feel like a bit of a gamble, which really begs the question, does clear, immediate communication stock the deck in a brand's favor? Well, let's dive into it. First, the confirmation. This exchange kicks off on a Sunday evening at exactly 7:33 p.m. The customer, Mara Alarm, messages the company to gratefully confirm she has received her email receipt and her tracking number, wishing them a blessed Sunday. Second, the logistics. The company instantly replies with the direct UPS tracking link, specifically containing the exact tracking number 1ZR8RE22049709161, followed up by heart face and praying hands emojis. Providing that exact clickable logistics link completely eliminates any customer guesswork right out of the gate. Finally, the payoff. Let's jump to the successful conclusion. At 3:40 p.m. on delivery day, Mara messages back to confirm the hair has arrived. And most importantly, she gives unprompted positive feedback, explicitly stating that the hair is, quote, pretty full. So from a polite Sunday receipt confirmation to a completely transparent UPS tracking link, this brief exchange really highlights how solid communication paired with a high-quality, full product creates a totally winning customer experience. Delivering exactly what is promised is, without a doubt, the ultimate marketing tool.